Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you. Remember to like, share, and leave me a comment for this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. And today's video is from a subscription service called Facetory. And this is a monthly subscription service, and they offer two choices when you go onto their site. The first one is the Forever Fresh Kit subscription, and the second one is 7 Luxe. So just like the first one is Forever, you get 4 masks, and I believe that's $8.90 a month. And then the 7 Luxe, you get 7 masks, and that is $19.90 a month. And if you do the prepays for the 6 and 12 month plans, you save a little bit of money. And I do believe, yes, these are Korean sheet masks. This company, this past November 2018, just celebrated 2 years in business. Congratulations to them. On their website, you do take a skin type quiz so that they can try to personalize the best they can the masks. And you can also buy individual masks from the website if you really enjoy some of the masks you get and you'd like to purchase a few extras, you can do that. So today's package for this is January 2019. It's sheet mask and chill. And on the back, I don't know if this is going to focus today. I have to get a new camera, which I'm working on. They give tips. Let's see if I can maybe get that tip. Okay, so there's the tips. The first tip is do not leave on the mask for more than 30 minutes because what it will do, it will take back the moisture from your skin. And the second tip, which I thought was very, very good to have, if you hate wearing cold sheet masks, because they usually are, cold or chilly, and sometimes that feels good, but not necessarily in the winter, you can warm them up by placing the package in a bowl of warm water for a few minutes before taking it out of the package, and then it will warm up the mask. So, which might have its own benefits on having it, the serum and the mask feel a little bit warm. And then you always get a card which tells you, in this case, there's 4 masks, so it tells you the 4 masks that you will be getting. And it always comes in this nice, resealable bag. The other side has my address, so, it just says Facetory on it. And then the masks are in the bag. And the first mask is a detox purifying pore mask, and it's with charcoal and volcanic ash. And this one has charcoal powder, volcanic ash extract, soybean seed extract. So it adds hydration. It helps remove impurities, treats acne and inflammation. And it helps to remove dirt, toxins, and excess oils from the pores. So that is nice. And you only get one sheet per, per package. The second mask in this month is Deer Mugwort, and this is an 8-peptide aloe and tea tree mask. And this has the mugwort extract, which I've never heard of, and tea tree leaf oil. So that'll be a nice mask. Gives you, these are in Korean. So it's kind of hard. And that's why I like the card, because it at least gives you a little bit more information. So that's the second mask. And the third mask is cute, but it's all in Korean. And this is, I think the company is Yada. And it's a vitalizing mask pack. I don't know what they mean by pack. It's still, I think, just one mask. And it has pomegranate fruit extract and another kind of extract in here that I have no idea even how to pronounce, which is an antioxidant that fights premature aging and protects the skin from environmental damage. And with the pomegranate extract, It's high levels of vitamin C and antioxidants to prevent cell damage while also healing your skin of sun damage. So once again, it does give you pictures, but you know, if you can understand the language, then you'll be able to read that. I cannot. And then the last mask is, I think the company is Baroness, and this is the Lily Flower Mask Sheet. And the key ingredients are Lilium Candidum flower extract, and that's a water-retaining humectant that helps remove impurities and brighten dull skin. And then you have sodium hyaluronate, a great skin restoring moisturizing ingredient that provides benefits for aging skin. Oh, and they do give you retail values. I'm sorry, I didn't even mention that. This one has a $2.50 cost in the these are US prices. This one has a $3 value. This here, the mugwort one, is a $3 value. And then the detox is a $4 value. So for the, I think it was $8.90 that I pay for the month, you know, I definitely think, you know, the sheet masks are worth it. Even if they were, you know, $2.25 a month, that still covers it. I know you can get sheet masks, you know, $1, $2 elsewhere, but I don't think you get the variety when you see them, you know, in a drugstore type setting or a dollar store type setting. And Korean face care and skincare is supposed to be one of the best. So that's the reason that I love this subscription. And I was just reading this card, and it says December Forever Fresh. And I thought this was the January box, and this says Happy Holidays on the top. So this must be the December, probably, I'm a little confused, probably the December bag, I'm sorry. I don't know why I thought it was January. I guess because it is January, but if, you know, I think they mail later in the month, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so that's the video for today, and this is from Facetory, and this is the Forever Fresh subscription. And I appreciate you watching, and have a great day. Bye.